Today's video is presented in partnership with Hampson Auctions, one of the UK's leading classic, performance and supercar auction houses. Their next sale takes place on the 8th of March at the magnificent Bolesworth Castle in Cheshire. For your complimentary valuation for sale and entry into one of their auctions, please use the contact details below for a prompt response. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Rich Reviews, and welcome back to our bare garage. The garage is bare. It no longer houses a special car. For the first time ever, or for the first Christmas ever since I've lived here, this garage has no special car in it. Now, as many people will know, or as our regular viewers will know, we launched the channel with a Porsche 993S, which is the first car housed in this garage. I owned that Porsche 993S for 12 years. I really loved that car. And the whole channel was kicked off with the ownership of that car and our experiences with that car. We sold that to move the channel forwards, and because I wanted to own a Ferrari, and I purchased a Ferrari 458 Spider, which was heavily documented on the channel, and that allowed us to really progress the channel. But as I said, when I sold the Ferrari 458 Spider in 2024, it was sold to move the channel forward. And then in September 2024, we bought a Lotus Emira. Now, I bought that Lotus Emira a lot cheaper than I would have had to if I bought it directly from Lotus, as was all documented on our channel. Make sure you watch our Lotus Emira playlist on our channel, because it's all documented in that playlist. Bought the Lotus Emira with 3 major issues, and that was a project car for the channel. And of course, we documented all the remediation of those issues on our channel. Now, those 3 issues became 9. And I've got to be honest with you viewers, before I purchased the Lotus Emira, I did a lot of research across the forums, etc. And I thought it was going to be a bit of a nightmare getting those issues remediated. I thought we were going to have a bit of a nightmare, because I'd read of a lot of issues with other Lotus owners and how they'd actually spent ages trying to get these issues resolved with other dealerships. But because I found a great dealership in Ryland Lotus Bristol, the issues were actually remediated a lot easier than I could ever have thought. If you look back at our videos, you'll see that Ryland Lotus Bristol actually allowed us into the workshop multiple times to document the remediation of those parts, to show all the parts laid out on their workshop floor, and to actually show the car being raised and lowered on a set of ramps, to be able to show you those parts in their sort of various stages of being fitted to our car. It's just absolutely incredible, unprecedented access that Ryland Lotus Bristol gave us to the workshop. And they were just so supportive, and this made it a lot smoother for us to get those problems remediated on our Lotus Emira. But as you can see, the Lotus Emira is no longer here. The Lotus has now gone to its new owner, which means there'll be a new special car coming to the channel. So make sure you're subscribed with notifications set, so you receive notifications of the launch video for our new special car for the channel. So we're going to leave you with the handover of our stunning Lotus Emira to the new owner, and the Lotus driving off into the distance to experience new adventures. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in our next video, the launch of our next special car. Make sure you're subscribed. So we're just here now with the new owner of my Lotus Emira. The Lotus Emira is now sold. So I'm physically handing over the keys to the new owner, Chris here, who's happy to feature on our channel. And Chris is a Lotus guy already, so I couldn't be happier with the ownership of my Lotus being transferred over to Chris. And I'm really going to miss this Lotus. I've really gelled with the Lotus. I've had some fantastic times, which you've already seen, viewers. And it's time for the car to go, and it's going over to a great owner who's had Lotuses already, and so he knows how to look after these cars, and he's going to look after this car really well for me. So that's it, guys. The car is going, and we're just going to now watch Chris drive off in our car into the sunset. and you know, we'll be discussing and communicating afterwards as well, so I'm sure he'll have a few questions for me downstream. But yeah, it's the end of an era again on the channel. So from the 458 to the Lotus Emira, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you'll be notified of the next car that comes to the channel.